positive, negative. Its EMF is E. External resistance R, internal resistance R, small r. This is the closed circuit. In the closed circuit, which will be flow current. Current always moves from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. Here, what is the formula for current? We know the Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? V equal to IR, I equal to V by R. Here, what is the voltage value? Voltage value is E. Okay, whole by. Here write effective resistance. Here external resistance capital R. What is the internal resistance? Small r. This is the formula for current in the according to circuit diagram. I discuss terminal voltage. Very important topic to solve the problems. Terminal voltage now. Terminal voltage means, for example, this is the cell or battery. This is, look here, this point A, this point B. Here, voltage measured by using an instrument. The instrument name is voltmeter. To measure the current, the instrument name is ammeter or galvanometer. Voltage measured by using voltmeter. Look here. The voltage across the terminal, positive terminal and negative terminal. Simply the voltage across terminals of the cell. Once again I repeat, the voltage across, the voltage across terminals of the cell, the voltage across terminals of the cell, positive terminal and negative terminal of the battery. The voltage is called terminal voltage. Simply, the potential difference across the terminals of the battery, the potential difference is called terminal voltage. Battery have how many terminals? Two terminals. Okay, one is positive terminal, other one is negative terminal. The voltage across terminals of the cell is known as terminal voltage. Battery discharge. Look here, Nani. This is the cell, Nana. Positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay. The question is find relation between terminal voltage and EMF of the cell. Look here. In the question, battery what happens? Discharge. Discharge means current out. We know that current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. That means E is higher, V is lower. Current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Simply, in the situation E greater than V, simply V is less, terminal voltage is less compared to EMF. Less means here write minus. Once again I repeat. In the question, the battery charge or discharge? Discharge. Discharge means current flow higher potential to lower potential. Simply E is more, V is less. V is less means E minus. According to homogeneity, voltage subtracted by the voltage. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Here current I, R is internal resistance. Look here. This formula is applicable for when the battery is discharged. What is the relation between voltage and EMF? V equal to E minus IR. When the battery discharged, V equal to E minus IR. Look here now. Next question is battery charge now. This is battery symbol, plus minus, positive terminal, negative terminal. This is called terminal voltage. Look here. Battery charge means current supplied to the battery. Okay? In the situation, current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Simply V is more compared to E. In the situation, V always greater than E. It write V equal to E. V is more, so that's why here write plus. Homogeneity, voltage added to the voltage. What is the voltage formula? IR. Simply, IR is called as gain in volt. Battery discharge, V की formula E minus IR. Battery charge, V की formula E plus IR. V की formula E plus IR. ना? Okay, next one. Open circuit. Open circuit means no current flow. Look here once again. This is the open circuit now. Open circuit. In the previous two circuits are closed circuit. Closed circuit in the electricity current flow. Open circuit in the electricity current flow becomes zero. Okay? Simply V equal to battery discharge or charge V equal to E plus or minus IR. But in the open circuit, I becomes what happens? Zero. Because in the open circuit, no current drawn from the battery. That's why I becomes zero. Zero into anything zero. Simply terminal voltage equal to EMF of the cell. Once again I repeat, in the open circuit, short circuit. Look here now. Next nana, look here nana. The circuit name is next nana, short circuit nana. What is the meaning of short circuit? Look here. Look here nana. This is the cell nana. This is a positive terminal. This is a negative terminal. Cell EMF E na. Okay. Internal resistance R na. Here current flow I na. Okay. Short circuit means this battery is connected to conducting wire. Once again I repeat. Battery connected to conducting wire. Nana, this is conducting wire. Best conducting wire, its resistance becomes zero. Ohm's law, automatic V equal to zero. Here battery discharge, V formula is E minus IR. V 0 E minus IR, small r here, IR, E equal to IR. I equal to E by R. This is the maximum current flown in the circuit. Because battery is connected to the conducting wire, the wire have resistance becomes 0, external resistance 0, that is called potential difference. Ohm's law, V equal to IR, I capital R, R 0, V also 0. ఎప్పుడైతే V 0 అయిందో the maximum current flow is E by small r. E by small r. Okay? This is the cell positive terminal. This is the cell negative terminal. This is called anode. This is called cathode. This is the secondary cell. Secondary cell means this is rechargeable cell. Here charge చేస్తున్నాను. ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? Charge. Charge means electrical energy supply. Once again I repeat, electrical energy supply. Inside ఏదో ఉంటుంది నాన్న, electrolyte H2SO4 ఉందనుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు నాకు because of electrical energy continuously supply, because of electrical energy H2SO4 divide H plus 2 SO4 minus 2. Okay? Nana, because of electrical energy supply H2SO4 is divide H plus SO4 minus 2. Here in the diagram, look here, this is the anode, this is the cathode. Here H plus positive becomes here deposited on the negative plate. Plus unlike poles attract H plus SO4 minus 2. Here deposited minus deposited here here which will be deposited H plus positive attracted by the negative attracted by the positive. ఇక్కడ మరి SO4 minus 2 deposit, H plus deposit. Generally EMF direction positive to negative. ఇది original electrical field or original EMF. Because of deposit, ఇది H plus, ఇది SO4 minus. This is induced EMF. Induced EMF. This is original EMF. This is induced EMF. Because charge is supplied to the battery because of electrical energy, here HCl electrolyte divide H plus Cl minus, H2SO4 electrolyte divide H plus SO4 minus 2. Positives are attracted by the negative plate, negatives are attracted by the positive plate. Because of original EMF ki induced EMF ఎలా ఉంది? Opposite. That means induced EMF is opposite to the original EMF. That means further charging అనేది స్టాప్ నానా. అందుకే సెకండరీ సెల్స్ ఎంత చార్జబుల్ సెల్స్ అయినా సరే నానా 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years వాడిన తర్వాత బయటపడేయాలి నాన్న. ఎందుకు అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ డివైడ్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఇండ్యూస్డ్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ వస్తుంది. ఇది ఒరిజినల్ ఈఎంఎఫ్కి ఎలా ఉంది? ఆపోజిట్. దీస్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఈజ్ కాల్ యాజ్ బ్యాక్ ఈఎంఎఫ్. దిస్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఈజ్ కాల్ యాజ్ బ్యాక్ ఈఎంఎఫ్. ఓకే, this is the topic nana. So that's why induced EMF is called back EMF. This can be avoided and H2SO4 cannot be divided by using potassium permanganate is added to the electrolyte H plus SO4 minus 2 cannot be divided, so that's why the battery cannot be damaged. And external production కోసం ఏమి యాడ్ చేయాలి? పొటాషియం పర్మాంగనేట్, that is called depolarizers. Depolarizers. Polarizer means charges will be divided. Depolarizers, potassium permanganate is added to the electrolyte. These electrolyte cannot be divided. The battery gives a long life. Complete.